best anime Reels application out there today. I'm gonna show you guys how to use it like a pro. Stay tuned. Series which you can watch on this application. As you can see here, a lot of them. You can go on the search bar at the top here and also find the trending one that everyone is watching. You can also go ahead and watch it. So if I tap on the trending one option here, I can pretty much load up the anime and it's very easy to use. So once you've selected the anime that you want to watch, it will take some time to load based on internet connection. And down here you can also tap on the episode option to see how much episode this anime here has. As you can see here, a lot of episodes which you can watch, and I'm not talking about one, I'm not talking about 100, I'm talking about 300 episodes which you can watch, and they're very interesting and nice to watch. Also, as you can see here, the free ones are the ones without the lock on it. So to be able to watch these other ones with the lock, you either have to purchase it, watch an ad to unlock it, or you have to get a subscription which unlocks everything for a particular period of time. So let's say I want to watch episode 15 and we need to purchase it for 15 coins. Currently I only have 0 coins, so I won't be able to watch this episode. I can go ahead and purchase coins. As you can see here, their prices as it relates to coins and how much coins you'll be getting is all here. So that's really pretty much it for that there. And as you can see here, they do give you an option which you can also unlock it by watching ads. So some of the times you may get the option to watch 8 ads to unlock the episodes, or 1 or 5 ads to unlock the episode. Or you can either earn ads by doing random stuff like following their page on social media, or even using the application to get you coins. So at the top here, you may see earn coins option. Here, by just using the application, you'll be able to get coins. And as well as you can see here, me just checking in on the application will give me coins. So all I have to do is just go in the earn section and tap on this here where it says the reward. So basically I'll be watching 1 ad and also getting an extra coin in there as well. So instead of getting 50 coins, I'll be getting 100. So down here as well, you do get coins for watching ads as well. So whichever option you choose. So in the for you section, pretty much a scrolling feature which you can scroll and see other anime series which you can watch. As you can see here, will show the most interesting part, and if you do like it, you can add it to your favorite, and also you can share with your friends and family if you want to do that. So as well, you can tap on the episode option which I've already showed you, and also this here you may see a phone looking icon or a cup looking icon which say you can pretty much rotate the screen or put it in landscape mode if you don't want to watch it in this mode. So in the collect option here, these are pretty much movies that we have watched at the top, and down here where it says my list are your favorite movies which I've added to the favorite list. Pretty much that. And over the profile section here, this is where you can go to get your subscription as it relates to this application here. So if I tap on the subscribe now, here they do offer a subscription which unlocks all episodes for all of these anime series. As you can see, I do get a 1 month all series unlock option here, and you get a year option. As you can see here, all the prices and everything. And down here, you do get it do show you what we're getting with these as well. So very easy application to use. And if I miss anything at all, just let me know in the comment section, so we'll see if we can help you. See you in the next one.